Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put an image in a Notion table step by step. Notion tables are a great way to organize information, and adding images makes them even more powerful, especially for project tracking, product catalogs, or personal databases. First, navigate to the Notion website login page. On the home page, look for the login button to access your account. If you prefer using Google, Notion makes it simple. Just click on Continue with Google in Notion and follow the prompts. This option is great for quickly signing in without needing another password. Then open your Notion workspace and go to the page where you want to create or edit a table. You can either use the Notion table database view or add a simple inline table, depending on how you want to display your data. Next, add a new column to your table. To do this, click on the plus sign to add a new property in Notion. From the property types, select Files and Media. This property type allows you to upload or attach images inside your table. Now, in the new column you created, click on a cell and choose Upload an image in Notion. You can either upload from your computer, drag and drop files, or even paste an image link from the web. Once the image is uploaded, it will display directly inside the table cell. This makes it easy to create things like a Notion product catalog with images, a content calendar with thumbnails, or even a visual task tracker in Notion. You can repeat the process for other rows, adding images wherever needed. Notion will automatically store these images inside your workspace, and they'll stay neatly organized within your table. And that's it! You've successfully learned how to add images in Notion tables. This simple feature can make your workspace more visual, professional, and easy to navigate. If you found this Notion tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel